In this video, we will set up the Home Assistant container on Docker on the Synology range of NAS systems. These are versatile network storage devices that allow you to run a number of network apps, including Docker. Note that there are a few systems that do not have the CPU power or memory to be able to run Docker. First, we'll create the directories we'll be storing data under. Open File Station. Select the Docker folder. Create a folder and name it Home Assistant. Open this folder and create another folder. Call this one Config. You should have a directory tree as shown in the sidebar. Now close File Station. Open Docker. Go to the registry. We will need to download the latest Home Assistant image from here. In the search bar, enter Home Assistant as one word and press enter. Look for the result, Home Assistant / Home-Assistant. Either double click or select it and click download. You'll be asked which version you want to download. Select Stable or Latest. This may take some time depending on your internet connection. We've sped this process up. Once it's downloaded, go to the image section of the Docker app. Select the image and click on Launch. So that we can access Home Assistant on the same IP address as your NAS, select Use Same Network as Docker host. Click Next. Now choose a container name you want, such as Home Assistant. It's also a good idea to enable auto restart. Click Advanced Settings. In the Environment tab, click Add. In the Variable section, enter TZ. In the Value section, enter your time zone. For instance, Europe/London. Click Save. Click Next. In Volume Settings, click Add Folder. We'll choose the folders we created earlier. You can also create folders from this screen. Expand Docker, then expand Home Assistant, then select Config. Click Select. In the mount path, enter /config. Click Next. You'll be presented with a summary screen. Ensure the Run this container after the wizard is finished box is ticked, and click Done. Your Home Assistant within Docker should now run and will serve the web interface from port 8123 on your Docker host. Use the Docker app to control the container and to see statistics about usage. Use the NAS IP or name followed by :8123 to browse to Home Assistant. Fill in the wizard with your details. At the end, you'll be presented with a basic dashboard. If you need to update Home Assistant, open the Docker app. Go to the Registry section. Find Home Assistant/Home-Assistant in the registry and click on Download. Choose the stable or latest tag. Docker will re-download the newest image. Once you get the notification, move to the container section. If the container is running, use the toggle switch to stop it. Click on the container and select Action, then Reset. You won't lose data, these files are stored in your config directory. Start the container again. If you ever need to restart the container, open the Docker app and move to the container section. Select the container and click Action, then Restart. Home Assistant will now restart. Finally, if you click on the Overview section, you can see a summary of memory and CPU usage for Docker and the individual containers. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you liked what you saw. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider becoming a patron at my Patreon. The details are below.